How big is this ship? I mean, it's pretty big, right? On a Wednesday, we work from Truro, so that's where we're going today. You know, it's been over a year since I last filmed in Truro. Crazy. Anyway, I had to start work, not in Burger King. The sun is out and shining in Truro. I'm on my lunch break and I wore a wet weather coat today. They were saying it was supposed to be thunderstorms, but the sun's out. Truro is absolutely heaving today. I mean, to be fair, normally, I wouldn't come to Truro on a sunny day anyway, but I think there's a lot of people here because we were expecting thunderstorms today. But you can't even walk through the town. Just gotta find somewhere nice to eat my lunch. Okay, so tonight I'm heading out to the pub to meet up with some friends, and to be honest, it's been so long since I went to a pub, like, of an evening. But I'm still probably going to have a couple of drinks. Let's just see how the night goes. 15, you needed to calm down. So I've decided to drive. And the reason is yeah, so as I was saying, just in case you missed that, I really don't want to get drunk if I'm going to be up all night editing, so that's why I drove. I forgot to mention earlier when I was in Truro as well, that it still baffles me to this day that Truro is the only, that's a good scenery, isn't it? Truro is the only city in the whole of Cornwall. Crazy. So I don't know whether you can see this, but through there, so this is which is normally called Event Square, but they're actually just setting up for the G7 summit. Yeah, I don't think there's any access to Event Square now because of what's going on with the G7, but I mean, look at the work they're doing. Look at it just here. So that would normally be the car park where you would park, but there's no parking there now. Right, I best get to the pub anyway. So I didn't really film a lot in the pub. I just met up with some friends. I've not seen them for so long. But how big is this ship? I mean, it's pretty big, right? That's what she said. To be honest, I am quite enjoying making these videos every day. I mean, they're not necessarily the most interesting videos I've made. I appreciate that, but it is encouraging me to at least do something every night after work, and And you know, that's the whole point of this channel mainly, and that's... So if I can go out of an evening, you know, I mean, it's always easier in the summer anyway, but if I can go out of an evening and actually do something, then I would much rather do that than stay at home all day. I'm resting on somebody's boat. Not really resting on it, I've got my hand on it. But that's about it from me. I'll see you tomorrow.